Welcome back. It's Sandy from Sandy's Organized Chaos, and as you can see, I have some helpers today. Today we are going to be making alphabet magnets, and we are going to need to pick out 26 different glitters so that way we can make those magnets. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's pick those glitters out. Choose those glitters. All right, so you're gonna choose, and then we're gonna put a little bit of glitter into each cup. Okay. So let's just be careful with Mommy's glitter. You want those? Okay.
Don't put it in, Dora.
Okay, just a little bit.
Okay, Dora, that's enough.
All right, that's good. All right, that one's gonna be. We got some diner dots in there. What else are we gonna do? Molly, you pick next.
Can I choose like any?
Anyone you want. We gotta choose 26 of them.
Anyone.
The kids are always looking at my glitter and want to play with it so much. So I thought, why not make some magnets with them and let them create what they want with my glitter.
Okay, we picked all of our glitter out and we are ready to put the magnets in our silicone molds that we have right back there. Did you guys have fun picking all the glitters out?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
We mix them.
Yes, now we get to mix them. Did you guys get glitter all over yourselves?
Yeah.
Yes,
Only
they did.
on my hands.
Only on your hands.
Yeah,
All right, well,
I don't want it on my face.
Well, let's do this real quick. Okay? Yeah? All right.
These magnets are super strong, so just be careful when you're placing them into the mold.
All right, we are all done filling up those molds with those magnets, and now it's Mommy's turn to mix the epoxy and put them in. All right, sound good? Okay, you guys go play.
It took a lot of epoxy to fill those molds, but that's okay because we had a lot of fun creating these magnets together. Now we use glitter because I have a ton of it on hand, but you could use anything you'd like to put into these magnets. You could coordinate little toys that match the letter of each alphabet. You could put candy into the epoxy. You could even have them go on a scavenger hunt and find things in nature to coordinate with the letters. We even put little pieces of shell and mirrored glass into some of them. So the possibilities are completely up to you as to what you can create with these little magnets. Now after I was done mixing them, I went ahead and I didn't fill them up completely. I left a little bit of space so that way when I go to put the alphabet on, I can come back through and put another coat of epoxy over top. But I have those all done. I let those sit for a good 6 hours, if not 24 hours, before I put the letters on.
Ready to help?
Yeah.
Okay, take that piece of vinyl that I just cut out and put it on the board. Let me turn my Cricut on real quick.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta make sure it's on there really good. You gotta line it up. I guess I should have said what I'd like you to do. Just wanna line it up like this. Okay, I'm gonna flatten it out real good.
Which that has no like crinkles in it.
Yeah, no crinkles. Okay, now let's bring it over to my Cricut. Yep, just slide it in. And then you want to come over here and press continue on the computer. You just tap. Well, you gotta tap harder. You gotta click it. There we go. Okay, now my machine over here is gonna light up.
Oh yeah.
And you just want to make sure it's under. See those things that I'm making sure it's under? You want to make sure it's under those. Okay, and then you want to press the feed button. Feed it into the one that's flashing. Okay. And then you want to press the go button.
This one?
And there we go.
Like I said earlier, the kids are always wondering what I'm doing And so this was a great opportunity to kind of let them come in, play with my glitter, and even have them do the vinyl. Now I know a lot of us are having to do remote schooling with our kids, so this was kind of a fun way to step outside of that and do something a little bit more creative with the learning experience that they're having at home right now. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it was a little difficult to watch her weed this, but in the end, she kind of let me finish it up for her, but she did a really good job. Now, after the kids get those letters applied, I am going to take my epoxy and I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way so that way those letters are nice and sealed inside. That was also the reason why we put the magnets on the bottom like we did earlier, so that way they're nice and sealed inside of that epoxy. We want to continue to let those dry for another 24 hours, if not longer, and then they will be ready to unmold them and play with them. There you go.
No, it's sticky.
Those are pretty neat.
Yeah, Mama, these are so neat. Ooh. Ooh, these
Any little edges, I'll just come and clean up with a razor knife. Right, you guys go ahead and unmold them.
I got all the ones.
You can find the silicone mold and the magnets that I used today on Amazon. You fill these with candy or toys or glitter. I hope you guys enjoyed watching something a little bit different today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.